Hey guys, this is Alex with Revamp TV. Welcome back. It's time for another 2-Minute Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about the future of the mobile repair industry and where it might be headed by the end of 2018. 2 minutes on the clock starting now, let's go. With kids getting their first phones earlier and earlier in life and more adults feeling obligated to own a cell phone, it's easy to see why the mobile repair industry has drastically increased and grown in net value over the last 5 years. More phones equals more broken phones, which equals more phones being repaired in repair shops, and therefore more growth in the repair industry itself. In recent years, there's also been an increase in types of devices that these shops are dealing with, such as smartwatches, drones, two things that were not nearly as relevant as they are now 5 years ago. So in reality, sure, the industry does primarily deal with cell phones, there's no question about that, but there is a lot more to it. That being said, it's pretty clear that the mobile repair industry isn't going anywhere anytime soon. So what's next? Some say that the enticing new features and the exponential change within devices even from one generation to another is enough to make people want to just buy a new phone instead of getting their phone repaired like they normally would. While that might be the case for some people, it's safe to say that there will always be people who want to save that money and just get their current phone repaired instead of spending a lot more money to just buy a new one every time it breaks. There will always be phones being repaired and there will always be other devices being repaired because more devices, more phones equals more broken devices across the board, and so there will always be a need for these repair shops. Things will change though, and perhaps in the future some of these shops that deal only with cell phones might find themselves in trouble later on. Shops that specialize in multiple types of devices and handle a larger range of devices can probably rest a little bit more comfortably than those that just serve cell phone users. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments. This is Alex with Revamp TV, and I'll see you in the next one.